What's going on, guys? So at the beginning of a haircut, I like to start off with cutting the top first and leaving the sides for later, just because that's personal preference and that's how I've always done it. So when it comes to cutting the top, I start off by making my initial guideline and then bringing the comb back while grabbing the longer hairs and cutting it right down to that guideline that I made initially. Right here, I take my shears and run them across the head diagonally in order to take off some of the weight on top. I then start to point cut the hair in certain sections in order to give the hair a little bit more texture. To start off this mid-fade, I use my cordless T-outliners to set in my bald guideline right at the temple. Using my magic clips, I balled out that bottom section of the hair. And now I'm using my gold bevel-less shavers in order to bald out and make a nice basis for my haircut. I like to start off my fades by using the 1.5 guard to cut down bulk. This just makes it easier for me to fade down, makes it a lot easier for me to see what I'm doing also. I'm gonna set in my first guideline using the lever open. And here I go in with my lever all the way closed in a flicking out motion, gradually opening up my lever to take out that bottom line. For my next guideline, I'm going to go in with the number 1 guard all the way open and go up about half an inch. I close the lever and attack the middle line in order to soften it up for the 0 guard. And now with my 0 guard all the way open, I'm going to go up to the last guideline I made, gradually closing the lever in order to fade down. I go back in with the 1.5 guard in order to soften up that top line. Now that I've finished up the fade, I'm gonna go back in using different guards, playing with the lever in order to do some detail work. I'm just taking out any harsh lines or any hard spots I see to give it a nice soft blend. And now, using clipper over comb, I'm going to cut the bulk off the sides, connecting the sides to the top. After everything's done, I like to go in and freehand just to clean up anything that the clipper over comb didn't. Before I line up, I go in and neatly comb down the hair so everything could be laid out in preparation for my trimmers to clean everything up. I just recently picked up these new Babyliss trimmers and they cut like butter, making my hairlines crispy. here I noticed some bulk, so I'm gonna use clipper over comb to cut it down, and after use my thinning shears to soften it up. I'm gonna apply my 245 shave gel so I can go on my straight razor and do some finishing touches on the hairline. So this is how the haircut came out. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed just as much as I enjoyed making it.